my favorite flip-flops. They're all fixed now. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Well, it's Sunday for us. We are heading to the beach. Yesterday was a lot of fun.
I think I'm still full from dinner. You have to watch the video from yesterday.
The food was absolutely amazing. Yeah, we took a vacation yesterday. We actually took a real vacation. We are heading to the beach. We're just going to relax. I'm going to see if I can get a couple of vlogs done. What are you going to do, Stace?
I am going to try and research some things to do and find our next destination.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Actually, she's going to sit on the beach all day and probably fall asleep in the sun. That's probably exactly what's going to happen.
Hey,
but
that's
we'll see.
nice.
It's the truth. Probably going to be a very boring vlog. But hey, you know what? Every once in a while it's going to be like this.
Richard's starting to work on the vlog a little bit. I'm going to go and do what I do best, which is wander along the beach. I thought the water was going to be really warm here. It's not, but on days like this, it feels so good. So it's not like icy cold like the Pacific, but it still has a bit of a chill to it. But I love it. It's a Richard working on one of the vlogs on the beach. This is what he's been dying to do, to have his workplace on the beach. Just went and got us fresh fruit smoothies up at the little beach bar. So Richard has a delicious pineapple.
Okay. Stacy's being very nice to me. I'm editing roughly. I mean, it's terrible. Look where I'm editing. Got me a pineapple smoothie, fresh pineapple. You'll find out by the end of this trip, pineapple's my favorite thing.
I got a watermelon, cucumber, and lime. It's so awesome seeing them cut up the fresh fruits and just put them in a blender with ice. It's delicious.
So I'm about 30 seconds away from being done with this video. We're gonna check it out, then we're gonna get it ready, and this will be number 8, and then we'll get 9 done tonight, and then we'll be ready for 10. And today is going to be a very short one as well, so we should be able to knock these things out fairly good, I hope. But back to editing.
That was just what the Stacy ordered.
Nice relaxing on the beach. Got vlog done.
Perfect weather. Oh my goodness.
Sunny at times, cloudy at times, nice easy breeze.
Barely any humidity.
So we're going to go to the hotel, plug in the computer, and get ready for this vlog and sort of sit by our pool. So that's where we're going next. We are back in our hotel, taking advantage of the beers across the street. $2 Bentang beer. And our pool. And we're just relaxing, trying to upload one of the vlogs and just enjoy our relaxation. We'll probably take a shower, then go out and find some food.
Where we're gonna go and eat tonight. I've been looking up some places, but it's so funny what Richard and I considered, say, cheap eats up in Ubud. Those places don't seem to exist around here. So we're gonna go around right after sunset, and when the light is still pretty good, to start looking around for dinner.
So that's what we're doing.
So it's day 11. As you saw in previous videos, we've been washing our clothing in the sink, and we decided to treat ourselves and go into a regular laundry and have them do the laundry for us. Now, Richard and I don't usually let people do our laundry. We usually do it ourselves, but we wanted to give it a try, and I can smell fabric softener through here. And look how pretty they folded it. It's so nice. It was a little bit pricey, about $6, but I think a little bit worth it because it saved us time in having to hang dry anything. And we have clothes that smell like fabric softener, which is a thumbs up for me. So we just got done showering at the hotel, getting cleaned up for our evening. We're gonna head to the beach right now and go catch a sunset. Hopefully it's beautiful tonight.
Oh God, yeah. And then we're going to go get some food, and from there we don't know. But vlog number 8's uploading right now, so you guys should have it. Well, you should have it already. If you're watching this, you've watched 8 already. If you haven't, go back and watch 8 right now, because it's really cool. I just found my next hog. My next hog is going to be badass. Stacy's going to have to sit in the basket, but nah. The beach looks absolutely amazing right now. It's just before sunset. Everybody's getting a spot to relax it. Just
cheers to a beautiful sunset.
that was a pretty sunset.
That was really pretty.
I think we're gonna go find some food. We're gonna go wander around the city a little bit. We haven't really looked at Seminyak too much, so we're gonna go and wander around the city. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for something with some spice tonight. My stomach's finally feeling great. I want spice.
Spicy it is. One of the craziest things about Southeast Asia is the stuff that you find in the mini marts or the regular stores. So check some of these out.
Look what they have. It's Oreo cookies filled with blueberry frosting. It's called ice cream. Double chocolate chips ahoy. And like, you can fill anything with blueberry jam, and I'm gonna be a happy camper. It's coffee flavor, like Chips Ahoy kind of thing. They're called Tic Tac snacks. They almost look like a yogurt ball, but they're grilled beef flavor, so I don't think they're yogurt balls. They're chips in here, but they're the old Doritos logo. I mean, look at that. You can't get any closer than that. It's beef barbecue flavor. Seaweed.
Not Red Bull. 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 Red Bull. Red Bull. Red Bull. Okay, we're on the street side.
We are at Bong Pipi.
Or PP.
Or Peep, yeah, Bong
Bong
Pipi.
Pipi or Bong PP. PP probably.
So, your menu, and then you mark your quantity of how many you want of each, and then give it back to them, and that's your meal.
Black pepper pork. We have to put that one down.
I kind of want to try this chili cheese chicken.
Okay.
What is Saigon chicken, and then the pandan chicken satay.
For the pandan chicken, this also on.
Okay, this is my honest opinion. True, we are in Seminyak. Nothing beats sitting on a roadside and having food. Look at these little chairs. This is crates. Hold up the table. It's got a very Vietnam feel to it, except in Vietnam there's plastic chairs. You'll see that in 6 months.
Wow, that kind of makes my head explode a little bit. 6 months.
Black pepper pork. So bright. Very peppery. Good tender meat. Oh. Okay. I might have to come back to this place.
Look at all the dipping sauces.
It's kind of like a spicy mayo. First one. I think it's supposed to be something spicy. This should be sambal. It's a sambal. This one looks like a garlic. Like a garlic, very pungent garlic flavor. I'm gonna try the mayo with this pork. If you come here and try this black pepper pork, try it with the mayonnaise. Try it without it first.
I think I'm a little speechless.
So good, right?
Like it literally is like, it's very meaty bacon.
Saigon pork.
Yes.
So
So it has a saltiness to it. The black pepper really comes out. It's delicious. Like, it's like, look how meaty that is. It's oh my god, it is so good.
Saigon pork. Much sweeter. A very sweet pork, really tender pork, but just got like a glaze of like a nice sweetness across it. It's really delicious. Chili cheese chicken. I'm so dying to try this one. Okay, I'm gonna knock this one out first. Okay. So chili cheese chicken. That's really good.
Cut it. Don't want to take all the cheese. There we go. The chili on that. It's nice and spicy, but not too spicy. It's not like over the top spicy. It has a nice kick. Looks like it has, it's mozzarella cheese. You know what it reminds me of? Because it looks like it has like a very lightly fried or baked with a little bit of skin or something. Almost like a spiced up chicken parm.
Yeah, like chicken parm or chicken cordon bleu, yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the regular chicken satay here.
Your peanut. There's your peanuts. Here you go.
without peanut sauce. Tastes like it's been cooked in a peanut sauce.
Oh, really?
So it's a really good satay. Try it with peanut sauce. Such good satay here.
Trying not to stab myself in the face. Yeah. It was like cooked in the satay sauce. So you really don't need a lot of like dipping sauce on it.
Yeah, so we have 4 different satays here. And each one costs about $2, $2.50. So maybe $8, $10 for all this. Maybe, we'll see. Verdict?
Huge thumbs up.
Loving that. Okay, this was delicious. This was absolutely amazing. If you're in Seminyak, Bali, come here because it's delicious.
We are gonna head back to the room, call it an evening because we spent all day out in the sun. We have some editing to do and some trip research to do, so we are gonna call it a night.
So we will see you guys tomorrow.